Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to surf in Palworld. Now, before you can surf in Palworld, there are a few things you need to consider and do. One, which is to make sure that you have unlocked through pressing tab through the technology tree that you have unlocked a saddle for a pal that swims. So the first of which is Surfant. I don't use Surfant, but I use Tide, the big dude, Tide, which is, I think he's down here. There you go. I have Tide saddle. Tide is another pal that surfs. So again, once you unlock those, you would need to have another table, which is the, as you can see, this is our Tide saddle. Just get that. Now we have that. This is the Pal Gear workbench. You would need this so you could create accessories for specific pals. So with Tide, you need a saddle, just like in any other mount. And again, once you created that, you can now go to the sea, which is, here's the closest one. Let's just do this, right? Fast travel here, and okay, so let's make sure Tide is okay. There you go. Let's bring him out. There you go, and just press F, and there you go. And we could just easily just surf, very easily surf, right? And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.